If you want to connect your cPanel email to Outlook, this video will walk you through the full setup step by step. Whether you're setting this up for business email, client communication, or just want to manage all your messages in one place, Outlook makes it easy once you use the correct server settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Outlook on your computer. Once it loads, go to the File menu in the top left corner. From there, look for Account Info, then click Add Account. This is where Outlook begins the email setup process. On the next screen, enter your full Namecheap email address. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears, including the full address and domain name, because even a small typo can stop the setup from working. After entering your email address, click the IMAP option when Outlook gives you the choice of account type. IMAP is the best option here because it keeps your email synced across devices, so what you see in Outlook stays aligned with your mailbox on the server. Now, you'll need to enter the server settings manually. For the email or username field, type info@yourdomain.com or use your actual cPanel email address if it is different. In the password field, enter your private email password. This is the password for the mailbox itself, not your cPanel login. Next, for the incoming mail server, enter mail.privateemail.com. Set the IMAP port to 993 and choose SSL/TLS as the encryption type. These settings are important because they secure the incoming connection and help Outlook communicate properly with your email server. For the outgoing mail server, also use mail.privateemail.com. Set the SMTP port to 465 and again choose SSL/TLS for encryption. Then make sure SMTP authentication is required. This is a very important step because Outlook needs permission to send email through the server using your mailbox credentials. Once all of those settings are entered, review everything carefully before you continue. A lot of email setup issues happen because of a missed character, the wrong port, or the wrong encryption option, so double check the email address, password, server name, and all port numbers before moving on. After that, click Next or Connect. Depending on the version of Outlook you're using, Outlook will test the incoming and outgoing settings and try to sign in to your mailbox. If everything is correct, your account will connect successfully and start syncing your email. If you see an error, go back and verify the server settings one more time. Most connection problems come from incorrect credentials or using the wrong authentication or encryption settings. Once the setup finishes, Outlook may ask you to name the account or choose display preferences. You can save those settings and begin using your email right away. At this point, you should be able to send and receive messages directly from Outlook using your cPanel email address. And that's it. You've successfully connected your cPanel email to Outlook. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.